Now you're really getting the animals with your hands. There you go. Yay! There you go with your hands. There goes Elephant swinging and Froggy. And we still got the feet going. He's busy. You are so busy. Yes, you are. Do you see yourself in the mirror? Yeah. Whoa! You really got the elephant that time, Kaden. Yeah, good job.